So in today's video, I'll show you the recent one, the version we have updated for all of our clients, and I'll walk you through every single step which make your Google Business Profile post creation method like 1,000 times much better. So if you are really struggling to get the best version, how that help you to create your Google Business Post, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So please watch the entire video. Every single step is crucial to boost up your GBP profile post creation part. Let's go to the screen. So I divided this video in these segments. Okay, every single segment is most important. The first one is type of GBP post. So before you start creating the Google post, you need to identify what type of posts are available, which can help you to establish the relevance between your website content and your GBP profile content. You need to create some post around your main business category. So let's say your business profile category is plumber, so you need to create 3 to 5 posts according to your main business profile category. And these are some hyperlocal, these are some like geographically focused posts or your main city. So if you are located in the New York City, you need to create all the services plus your city posts. So if you are offering 5 posts, you need to create 5 different posts. Each single service post will target the same city. Same thing goes with these different parts. So if you identified 5 neighborhoods, you need to create 5 posts targeting single service. Same for the landmark, same for the zip code. And now you need to grab a list of your dream customers. So who do you want to serve? You need to identify, you need to research out this thing, and you need to create a list. So in my case, when we onboard a new client, on the day one, we itself identify all the data which we are going to require while any kind of optimization on their profile and on their website too. Driving direction post. So basically I divided this post within 3 parts. Driving direction from point of interest, from any transit data, or from any competitors. Point of interest means the landmarks, the top most recognized landmarks. Transit data, driving direction from any bus stand, railway station, metro station, subway station, nearest airport. So these are some transit data, transit destinations. And then I also prefer to use some driving directions from my top competitors. Now we need to create some post according to the FAQs. So FAQs could be related to your business. They can be related to your services or the areas, your business niche. You need to create posts around them. Then let's say you have 5, 10, 20, whatever the number of reviews you have on your profile, you should create 1 or 2 posts every week. Write down just copy the content from the review as it is. Just use the image about the Google reviews and then post it. And then last, UGC video post. You can create there are multiple ways to create UGC videos. You can video of your reviews. You can create a video about your services, about your locations, about your USPs. So it could be anything. So you can create as it's depend on your own creativity or own research data. So these are some basic Google post types we are doing. So in the calendar, this is how exactly we do post for our clients. So the first batch, we create 5 posts which are purely targeting the keywords. We are not focusing on any other elements in these 5 posts. In next 5 posts, we are only focusing on driving directions. Then 5 posts only about persona, and then 5 posts about the offers. So to create the offer post, you need to identify on the maps that from which locations you need some additional push, and then you can start giving 10% or 15% of additional bonus or additional discount to the people who are living in those areas. Now I am going to show you the exact plan I use for my own clients. So this is the end of your own research too. You don't need to go and figure out in which order or in which days type of post you need to go and create. So I'll directly copied from one of my clients, so you can see the name, see the locations here. So on Monday we do a keyword target post, Tuesday we do a driving direction post, Wednesday persona post, Thursday video, Friday we do a branding post which is recurring. So every week we do a branding post, and then Saturday we do a offer post. In next part, how to make your post hyper focused. To make your post hyper focused, add bit more efforts and make your post attractive and as well as helpful for Google and helpful for your users too. These are some additional research data you need to go through while you are going to create Google post. Identify some of the keywords which are highly relevant to our main business category. Then we identify some industry related terms, keywords, geo related keywords, topical related keywords, hyperlocal keywords, and then we also identify LSI keywords which are semantically relevant to our main business category. We need to go and find out all of these terms. If you go to ChatGPT and ask about all these terms, just provide your niche, your primary business category, and some of your top competitors on the maps. It will automatically give you the whole list of all these terms. Save it on Google Sheet, which you are going to use for creating Google post, and then whenever you are creating posts, just use them. Just provide these old data to ChatGPT and ask him to incorporate all these data within the post. This is how you can make your GBP post more powered compared to your all competitors. The next part is GEO tagging. So there are multiple ways. If you are using local brand manager, that tool has this feature inbuilt, so you don't need to go to Google Photos and then create the album and put all of your photos, then download from Google Photos and then use it. The next part, adding your QR code on the photos. So in the QR code, you can redirect user to website, to your citation links, you can also create some kind of silo using the QR codes. So far in these 6 chapters we covered type of post, the calendar, how you can create Google post, how you can make your post more hyper focused. Now we are going to talk about how you can power up them, and this is the most important thing. It always it's a cherry on the top to each of my single GBP post. You can pause the video and you can write down all this information, and then if you just do some research about them, if you have watched some of my previous videos, you will get the entire detail about how you can identify how we can get all these details. You will get the data. The next part is GBP Post silo. So silo is basically, let's say on the website, how we organize the content. So we linked each services to we linked all of our services to each other. Then if we are going to create some blog post, service based blog post is linked to the service pages, so that it keep the relevancy higher and help Google to understand the more context about our website. So this is the same thing. If you are creating Google post, so let's say if you are creating Google post for same city, and then if you go to the keyword focus post, so all of the posts which has the same city, you should link all the posts. Now the indexing part. So if you just go and upload any single pin on the interest, it will be indexed in next 10-15 seconds. Then you can use different kind of boards. You can add some pins related to your top reviews. You can add some driving directions, and you can create zip code level pins. If you want me to create a separate video about GBP post indexing, just comment below, and I'll definitely go and create a separate video around this topic. YouTube also has the fastest index rate. Just create a YouTube channel for your client and start pushing out all the post link within the content description, within the video descriptions. That will also help to boost the relevancy. If you really like the video, please go and subscribe the YouTube channel, like the video, and share this video with all of your friends who are struggling to create awesome content for GBP Post. It will really help them, and this is the same content which I am using within my paid community.